Good day, my friends. My name is Vanessa Hong. I work in Shenzhen Health Technology. We are a one-stop dental solution provider. We have the stock products, stock abutments for quick delivery. We customize different abutments for different requests from the client. And we have different equipment solutions for our dealers and end users. For example, this is a T280 that is really new in the market. Has the big layer with this layer printing. You can print up to 16 pieces half arc models and a quarter arc models that is can be printed in 40 pieces. And this is the interface. It is very easy to operate. For example, if before entering in these detail buttons, probably you wanted to set the languages. This is parameter. If you didn't see clearly, let's go back X6. For example, the interfaces. Total stand. This button is blank. This print means start to print, and controller means the machine controlling, machine setting, machine managing, and these parameters means you can set the parameters of the machine. For example, you click it and you see this is a interface for setting the machines. For example, if you want to set this system, the operating system in different languages, you can see this English, Thai, simplified Chinese, traditional Chinese, Russian, Arabic, and Vietnamese languages. So here we go at English version.